The tension is palpable and you can understand why. Two high-level sides about to face each other, and it's anyone's guess how this is going to end up. Stay with us, we'll have every kick of the ball for you on EA TV. Hello and welcome, this is the scene here at Molineux. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers up against Aston Villa. Could be! Oh, a goal! There it is! And the crowd stunned into silence.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. Ryan Ait-Nouri. Just the challenge that was required. Leon Bailey. Watkins. Here's Bailey. Chance to do damage. Great opportunity! Well, that's really sound goalkeeping, not letting the opposition have any scraps. Jose Sa. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Cunha. Boubacar Kamara. Ollie Watkins. Now with Rodgers. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Jurgen Strand Larsen. Gonzalo Guedes now. It's a neat move. Gonzalo Guedes. And an astute piece of defending. Morgan Rogers. McGinn. Well, showing really good width here. Oh, surely. And that's a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Can someone get on the end of this? Oh, disappointing clearance. On a time for composure on the ball. Good width from Wolves. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. Decisive in the tackle. And the throw in here. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Wonderful chance! A very complicated catch for the keeper. Nouri. Oh, they're sitting ever deeper. Good tackle. Boubacar Kamara. Rodgers. Bailey. Teammate available. Bailey. High quality defending. Could be a chance to break here. Nuri. Was that a catch? Can't quite hang on. Did well to clear it away. Nelson Semedo. And return to Semedo. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Well, a short corner here. And it's played into the centre. Gonzalo Guedes. Foiling his opponent completely. Konsa. And back with Emiliano Martinez. Lucadinha. It's with Camara. John McGinn. Rodgers. Well, passing moves like this will keep confidence levels up. And he's in. A smart stop here. High-level defending. Gonzalo Guedes. Aston Villa regaining possession. Ollie Watkins. And a goal to increase their advantage to 2 overall. That little bit of a cushion. Now it's all about keeping the concentration.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Good through ball. Leon Bailey. Watkins. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Mateus Cunha. Dangerous looking attack. Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Bailey. Bailey. Matty Cash. And the cross not quite imaginative enough. Decent position for Wolves to be in, but it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Might be able to set up the chance. Is it going to be? And did just enough defensively. Nelson Semedo. Doherty has it. Well, sloppy in possession from Wolves. Rodgers. Lucadinha. Will he play it in? Oh, it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that. Well, there's a good reason why we're highlighting him. He's really dominating in attack in this game, Stuart.
Well, he's been brilliant today. His skill, his movement, his goals. What a good performance. And he's not finished just yet.
It's there for him. And it goes! The lead just gets bigger. Surely they can't let this slip now.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal. Well, he looks really pleased, doesn't he? His side have been really good today.
Well, you've got to say, an incredible first-half performance. That scoreline tells you all you need to know. Matt Doherty. Nelson Semedo. Oh, he saved it well. Delivering it. Clearance needed to be better. And a goal to delight the fans. Just what they were hoping for.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, but there's still plenty to do from here. He hits it so well, though. Lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. It's a great strike.
No more time left. That will conclude the first half here at Molineux. You certainly have got to give this man high marks for his work up to this point, Stuart.
Well, it's been an incredible performance from him. Clearly the difference between the two sides. Obviously the goals, but his movement too. He's causing the backline all sorts of headaches. He'll no doubt be desperate to grab the hat-trick now.
And the ball is rolling again. Wolves left with a mountain to climb here in the second half. Can they respond? Mateus Cunha. Could be threatening. That is how to keep it out of the net. John McGinn. Here is Digne. McGinn. It's one thing to sit deep, it's another thing to sit that little bit too deep. And they know they need to stop him. Matty Cash. Firing it in. And that's a very good parry.
Well, there you have it. Villa are creating chance after chance here. They really have been excellent today.
Yes, the chances just keep on coming. No stopping them, apparently. Baby! And the flag does go up, offside. Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. Now, brilliant work to keep that one in play. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Oh, surely! And there is the goal to make it a hat-trick! Excellence in finishing, there for all to see!
Well, here we can see it again, and it doesn't get any better, does it? That's just sloppy from the goalkeeper. That's a terrible goal to give away.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Will it happen for them? Excellent strike! And the keeper flings himself at the ball. And time for the change now. And short it is. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. Under the full weight of the pressure. Tyrone Mings. Konsa. Here is Digne. Morgan Rogers. Matty Cash. Take it away. Well, we're into the final half hour. A chance for them to provide a test in the form of a corner. Well, they're going for the short one. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. Ollie Watkins. Really determined play to hang on to it. Chance, Digne! And really tried to blast that one past the keeper, but his radar was a bit off. Wang Hee-chan. Jürgen Strand Larsen. On to Hwang. And he's gone into an illegal position, unfortunately. Poor attempt at a pass, really. This attack looks highly promising, but they dealt with the threat posed. And a fine cross. Well, given the position he found himself in, he really should be testing the keeper. Superb opportunity squandered. Well, both teams have had substitutes swarming up, and now both will rely on their respective benches. Just 20 minutes remaining now. Leon Bailey. Watkins just couldn't get it through. And Villa with the ball again. Bailey. Mateus Cunha. That was the chance they could get caught out on the break here. Really annoying for them. Couldn't take advantage. Donyell Malen. Ollie Watkins. He's in here. Oh, he really bruised the crossbar. Well, it looked as though it might be problematic for the keeper and the defenders, but they've got away with it.
Well, he eventually clutches the ball, but they've got lucky here. That really looked like being a goal, didn't it?
Cunha. And here's Cunha. Lemina. Bellegarde. And tidy defensive play. Watkins. Lucadinha. Bailey. Might work out. A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a really nice ball to put him through. The vision to set up the chance is outstanding, and he makes no mistake with the finish. He showed a lot of composure there.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Leon Bailey. Getting forward. Ezri Konsa. Ollie Watkins. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Lemina. Bellegarde. Disappointing for Wolves to give it away like that. And foul it is then. Well, they've decided to make a change. A really good pass. Boubacar Kamara. Ollie Watkins. Donyell Malen. Watkins. A goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
Goal for Aston Villa, number 11, Ollie Watkins.
And a big chunk of added time here, a minimum of 5 minutes. Jurgen Strand Larsen. Now with Hwang. Well, let's see about the cross. Oh, that's top-notch goalkeeping, you've got to say. Donyell Malen. Clean challenge. Lemina. Bellegarde. Might lead to a chance. Cunha. Can he make it count? And still danger here. Well, it could have been, but for the offside flag. And that is that, the final whistle here, and maximum points picked up by Aston Villa. What did you make of it?
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? I was particularly impressed with their play going forward. Really lively, almost cutting through at will at times. The result was never much in doubt, if I'm honest.